M Performance is the term used by the performance division of BMW. Guess what? Ferrari was so impressed by BMW that they decided to use the M term on their cars too, and thus created the Ferrari Portofino M. So, what is the Portofino M? A Ferrari with an M-powered BMW engine? Well, it happens to have the same engine power plant as that of the standard Portofino, just with 20 more horsepower. But the thing that you still might be thinking is why the M suffix? There are literally 25 other alphabets that Ferrari could have used to name the Portofino M. But according to Ferrari, the Ferrari Portofino M features the legendary M suffix for modificata. In its name is the evolution of the Ferrari Portofino. The new Prancing Horse 2 Plus Spider boasts a new slew of technologies and design features, most notably an 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox and a 5-position Manatino switch, an absolute first for a Ferrari GT convertible. Every drive aboard the Ferrari Portofino M is a voyage of rediscovery, but that's what Ferrari says. The power plant is a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 620 metric horsepower and 760 Nm of torque. Result? Well, this baby boy will do 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.45 seconds, 0 to 200 kmph in just 9.8 seconds. Top speed, if you're interested in, is still the same. It's just 1 mile shy of touching the magical 200 miles per hour mark. According to Ferrari, the Ferrari Portofino's M engine belongs to the V8 turbo family, voted the International Engine of the Year on 4 consecutive occasions. The power unit can punch out 620 CVs, 20 more than the Ferrari Portofino, thanks to the new cam profiles and the introduction of a new speed sensor on the turbocharger assembly to measure the turbine revolutions. A new gasoline particulate filter allows the car to comply with the strictest European anti-pollution standards, Euro 60, without compromising the driving pleasure. Now, talking about the new 8-speed gearbox, the Ferrari Portofino M's 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox is completely new and replaces the Portofino's M-speed version. It is based on a dual-clutch oil bath architecture with a 20% smaller clutch module and a 35% higher torque delivery. The transmission software strategy has also been evolved with a more powerful ECU. Introduction of the 8th gear and the improvement in transmission efficiency has resulted in a reduction of fuel consumption in urban and motorway contexts, in addition to the noticeably improving performance. Now let's take a deep dive into the design of the Portofino M with Flavio Manzoni, an Italian architect and the senior vice president of design at Ferrari. According to Flavio, the Portofino has a special place in the Ferrari range because the Portofino is a car with two souls. Because the retractable roof matches the bodywork, and therefore once the roof is closed, what initially looked like a spider becomes an authentic coupe. The Portofino M is clearly linked to its predecessor, the California. However, it has an evolved and authentic identity which differentiates it from the other GTs. It's a great combination of sports and elegance. The car has an extremely powerful 8-cylinder engine in the front and therefore presents a long bonnet and a cabin which is positioned rearwards as if it were sitting on the rear wheels. This is historically a typical feature of Ferrari's GTs. The front wing extends rearwards towards the rear wing, but the latter appears as a more robust and compact muscle. This conveys a particular balance to the overall design. Taking a closer look at the design language of this car, they find that it combines sportiness and elegance through the succession of interesting concave and convex surfaces which are historic cues to the Ferrari DNA. These generate very precise lines which define the car in a sharp and clear way. The front end of this car is immediately recognizable thanks to these L-shaped headlights, which are very unique. For the first time, they include an aerodynamic feature, two vents which act as an air curtain. This is a very refined solution which makes the car design even more simple and sleek. Cause simple is beautiful. The rear of the Portofino is characterized by a well-defined rear panel surface which almost appears as designed by subtracting volume from the rear. It is inspired by the concept of truncated tail, which is a typical of many Ferrari GT cars, and that's where the two lights are positioned. The new exhaust system and more refined aerodynamic allowed them to work on a new concept for the diffuser, which now has a lighter appearance and an even more technical look, emphasized by carbon fiber. In a nutshell, these are the elements that characterize the design of the Portofino M, a car that stands out for its perfect combination of sportiness and elegance, and this is precisely what makes it unique within the Ferrari range of cars. 5 modes, endless emotion. Now the aim of the 5-position Manatino switch, a first on a prancing horse GT Spider, is to make the Ferrari Portofino's M handling and grip even more accessible by extending the setting ranges still further with the addition of the race position. Supported by the introduction of the Ferrari Dynamic Enhancer, that position focuses on maximizing driving pleasure. The dual identity of the car is particularly evident in its exterior, where the front, side and the rear sections form part of a single sculptural structure, as well as its passenger compartment, the shape and finishes of which establish a clear, coherent link with the great traditions of Ferrari GT cars. Rationality and involvement. The Ferrari Portofino M's multi-level dashboard comprises an upper half and then an intermediate gap designed to lighten the perceived mass of the lower half. This breaking up of the dash into different levels allowed the designers to organize the car devices to very rational effect while simultaneously defining its signature full-width architecture. A central horizontal aluminium blade divides the separate areas in the upper section. The other control functions are located in the scooped section below, with a 10.25-inch touchscreen at the center. The interior and the dashboard architecture features 2 shells incorporating all of the technical components and a bridge that visually connects the instrument panel area with the central tunnel to boost passenger involvement. Now the standard Portofino M happens to be the most affordable brand new Ferrari you can buy from a Ferrari dealership today. It would cost you about $210,000. In India, it costs you 3.5 crores ex-showroom Delhi. The Portofino M will surely cost a premium over the standard Portofino, but we don't know anything in particular yet as the official pricings haven't been revealed yet by Ferrari. So everyone, that would be all for the Ferrari Portofino M. We trust you enjoyed this one and got some value. If you did, then do share it with your friends and do consider subscribing and following Motor Drift for more such content in the future. Till then, ciao.